Are you tired of feeling stuck in your personal and professional life? Unlock your potential and take control of your future with the 11 best places of investing in yourself in this present world, and unlock your full potential. Welcome to Beginner's Friend. Today, we are diving into a topic that can truly transform your life: investing in yourself. Have you ever wondered what sets successful individuals apart from the rest? It's their commitment to personal growth and development. So, get ready to skyrocket your personal and professional life, attract amazing opportunities, and become the best version of yourself. Before we jump into the 11 proven ways to invest in yourself, let's take a moment to understand the importance of this investment. Investing in yourself is not just an expense, it's a mindset shift. By dedicating time, energy, and resources to personal growth, you're making a powerful commitment to your own success. It's like planting seeds of potential that will bloom into incredible opportunities. When you invest in yourself, you acquire valuable skills, expand your knowledge, and cultivate a growth mindset. This attracts great opportunities, whether it's landing your dream job, building a successful business, or creating meaningful relationships. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Place number 1, continuous learning. The first and foremost way to invest in yourself is through continuous learning. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead requires constantly updating your knowledge and acquiring new skills. Commit to lifelong learning, whether it's formal education, online courses, or self-study. Seek knowledge in areas that align with your passions and goals. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and engage in discussions with experts in your field. Develop a growth mindset, and embrace challenges as opportunities for personal development. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's an investment that pays dividends throughout your life. Place number 2, physical and mental well-being. Investing in yourself goes beyond professional growth. It includes taking care of your physical and mental well-being. It's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance and take care of your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient rest are essential to keep your body and mind in peak condition. Additionally, practice mindfulness and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your holistic well-being not only boosts your energy and focus, but also enhances your ability to seize opportunities and overcome challenges. Remember, a healthy mind and body are the foundations for personal and professional success. Place number 3, skill development. Investing in yourself means developing valuable skills. Identify the skills that are in high demand in your industry and commit to acquiring or improving them. This could be technical skills, leadership skills, communication skills, or even emotional intelligence. Consider taking workshops, joining professional organizations, or seeking mentors who can guide you in honing these skills. Developing new skills not only enhances your expertise, but also makes you more adaptable to changes in your industry. Remember, a strong skill set can set you apart from the competition and open new doors of opportunity. Place number 4, step out of your comfort zone. Investing in yourself involves stepping out of your comfort zone. Growth occurs when you challenge yourself and take risks. Push yourself to try new things, take on challenging projects, and embrace opportunities that stretch your capabilities. By stepping out of your comfort zone, you expand your skills, broaden your horizons, and unlock new possibilities for personal and professional growth. Place number 5, build a strong network. Building a strong network is another powerful way to invest in yourself. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals and aspirations can provide valuable support, guidance, and inspiration. Attend industry events, join professional networks, engage in conversations with like-minded individuals, and actively engage in online communities related to your industry. Seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey and provide valuable insights. Remember, the relationships you cultivate can open doors to new opportunities and help you stay updated with the latest trends and insights. Place number 6, time management and prioritization. Investing in yourself also means valuing your time and using it wisely. Mastering time management and prioritization skills is vital for staying focused on your goals. Learn to delegate, automate, or eliminate tasks that don't align with your priorities. Create a schedule, set realistic deadlines, and eliminate distractions that hinder your productivity. By maximizing your time and focusing on what truly matters, you'll have more room for personal growth and be able to seize the right opportunities at the right time. Place number 7. Embrace failure and learn from mistakes. Investing in yourself means embracing failure and learning from your mistakes. Understand that setbacks and failures are stepping stones to success. Use them as opportunities to reflect, learn, and grow. Take calculated risks and pursue your goals fearlessly. By cultivating a growth mindset and embracing risks, you'll unlock your full potential and attract remarkable opportunities. By embracing failure and persisting through obstacles, you develop resilience and gain valuable insights that will propel you forward. Remember, the lessons you learn from failures will shape your resilience and fuel your personal and professional growth. Place number 8. Invest in traveling. The 8th way of investing in yourself is by traveling. It allows you to experience new places, meet new people, and gain new perspectives. Traveling exposes you to different cultures, lifestyles, and can enhance your creativity while improving your communication skills. It broadens your horizons and helps you gain a deeper understanding of the world. It can also help you discover new passions and interests. Place number 9. Invest in your hobbies. The 9th way of investing in yourself is by pursuing hobbies that you're passionate about. Pursuing your interests and hobbies can give you a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Hobbies help you relax, unwind, and recharge. They can also help you develop new skills and talents. Pursuing hobbies can make you happier, more fulfilled, and more creative. Place number 10. Invest in a mentor or coach. Investing in a mentor or coach is an incredible way to accelerate your personal and professional growth. Seek guidance from experts who have achieved what you aspire to achieve. They can provide valuable insights, offer support, and hold you accountable. A mentor or coach can offer a fresh perspective, challenge your assumptions, and help you accelerate your personal and professional growth. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask for guidance from someone you admire or respect. Remember, success leaves clues, and having someone by your side can make all the difference. Place number 11. Create a personal development plan. Lastly, create a personal development plan that outlines your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Take time to introspect, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and understand your values and aspirations. Set clear, actionable objectives and track your progress along the way. Regularly review and adjust your goals as necessary. This deep understanding of yourself will guide your decisions, help you align with your purpose, and foster personal growth. Tracking your progress allows you to celebrate achievements, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated along your journey of self-investment. Remember, by having a roadmap for your personal growth, you'll stay focused, motivated, and constantly moving forward. And there you have it. Remember, investing in yourself is an ongoing journey. Dedicate time, effort, and resources to continuously grow and evolve. And watch this video to discover the 8 simple yet powerful strategies to transform your mental health and experience a life filled with peace, joy, and vitality.